Hi, do you ever suffer from coarse, unruly, frizzy, hard to manage hair? I know I do. I have found something that has transformed my hair. If you want to hear about that, stick around. We're about to get right into it. Hi, I'm Mona, and this is About Face with Mona. This is the channel geared towards everything for mature women, beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. Welcome to today's hair highlight. An in-depth spotlight on one hair product that does amazing things. Hair highlight. See what I did there? Okay, today's spotlight is on what transformed my hair into this smooth, frizz-free, shiny display compared to what I usually have. And this was something I did myself. This is usually how I will come home from the hairdresser, but it's not how I will look when I fix my hair myself. Until now. Dream Coat is inspired by new textile technology. It covers each hair strand with an invisible waterproofing cloak. An absolute must for anyone looking to fight frizzy hair or So I am so thankful and to Color Wow and Octoly for gifting me this product. Now wait, before you go anywhere, oh, somebody gave her this product. It's not going to be her honest opinion. She's getting paid to talk about it. No, not even close. So my hairdresser used this product on me in the salon, and I was like, wow, right? Which is the name of the brand because, wow. The thing about Octoly is that they will give you a product to try and review if you get accepted by the brand. However, there is no, I repeat, no financial incentive for you to give a positive or negative review. In fact, if you go through the Octoly network, you can't get a financial incentive. If I would just go receive this in PR company, separate from the Octoly network, or I would purchase it and link it below, I could make a small commission on my links. But when you do it through Octoly, your gift is the product. It's giving you a product that you are interested in trying and want to see how it works. The link that you put in below, which I will put in below, is the link to them. So anybody who gets any financial incentive that comes from someone seeing this video will be the brand Wow. They want you to not be incentivized to give a false review. My hair speaks for itself. You know, if you've been watching me, that my hair is rarely this smooth. Look at this. You see the shine? The body, it's not weighed down, it's catching the light, it's smooth, there are no frizzies. And I did it myself. This was not the hairdresser. That is the amazing part. So yes, anytime I go to the hair salon, my hairstylist is skilled and trained and can do this for me with her products every time. When I get home, I cannot copy the same results. My hair is as color dyed and as processed as you could possibly be. I have gray hair. I'm constantly changing my hairstyle. I'm constantly putting in highlights, bleaching out sections. So my hair stays damaged. And in addition, I live in South Louisiana. Therefore, we're one of the most humid states in the country. And my hair always absorbs that moisture and gets frizzy. Let's go. According to the directions, we want to shampoo, condition, towel dry our hair, divide the hair in sections, spray liberally and evenly on damp, not wet hair, and do not apply other styling products to damp hair. Blow dry each section using a brush to hold hair taut. Requires blow drying to activate, and for best results, apply every third shampoo. My hair is damp, but it's not wet. I'm going to start with sections right here. The true test of a product is not just what you can do in a salon, but is what the average everyday person can do at home. The person who's not good at hair, doesn't have extraordinary hairstyling skills, and what it looks like on them. I'm just going to spray a little bit extra on my hand. I'm going to kind of just work it in to make sure I have everything coated. And then I am going to go blow dry my hair, also in sections the same way that I just did this, and I will come back with the results. I am in love. I am in love. I have already ordered the rest of the products in the line that are available. I will give you an update on those, purchased with my own money. This is the Wow Dream Coat. So it has a little spray nozzle. It is a supernatural spray, and I agree with that. That magically transforms texture. It's amazing humidity proofing powers. Yes, yes, yes. It is an award-winning humidity sealant. It stops hair from becoming a hot mess, even in the highest humidity. It's activated by heat. It lasts up to 3 shampoos. So this is an Allure Beauty winner, I believe. It has been recommended by Oprah. It's been recommended by Hoda Kotb. I don't know if you guys knew Hoda. Hoda is from New Orleans, and she was our news anchor for a long time before she made the big time. We love Hoda in New Orleans. And now she is on a national news morning show with Kathie Lee Gifford from the former Regis and Kathy show. And she swears by this and endorses this for, I assume, no money out of her pocket, because it is magic. And because if you have frizzy hair, you want this on your head. Honest to gosh. Dream Coat, it's got 5 stars out of 5,337 reviews. It's $28. It says you need to see it to believe it. Humidity proofing plus silky smooth texture. Lasts 3 to 4 shampoos. Color chemicals leave hair porous and vulnerable to humidity. Dreaded moisture gets in and hair gets puffy. It frizzes out. Heat-activated polymer works to compress, tighten, and seal hair strands. Hair is supernaturally sleek, smooth, and super silky. True, true, true. Unlike typical humidity guard serums, Dream Coat will not build up, it will not weigh hair down, or make it greasy. It's activated by heat. I cannot say enough. So Mona's 5-star ratings. Price point. 1 star for price point. It is definitely priced comparable to other products on the market and cheaper than a lot of them. Package. The package is sleek, modern, effective. The pump works great. To blow dry it, I used my Revlon, I think this is called a Revlon 2-in-1. Or you can go high, low, cool. And I just took it and I blow dried it like this. Like so. Because I'm not a hairstylist, and because it's hard for me to use the big barrel round brush and a blow dryer in the other hand, I'm not ambidextrous. I can do one side good, but when I get to the other side, which would be this side, I wouldn't be as good at it. So with this product and this tool and a brush, that is all I use. Oh, and some clamps. That is all I use to achieve this look. In fact, it says not to use it with other products. So I think you save money because you're not adding any other products to this. Ingredients. That's an easy one because obviously this new textile formula. Star for claims. Does it do what it says it's going to do? Absolutely. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. You can see that it does. Would I repurchase? Would I recommend? I have already repurchased and I am already recommended. Every time, absolutely. I can't imagine another product topping this. Can't. I will put oils in my hair and I can get a good result. But they will make my hair oily and they will weigh them down. This one does not do that. 5 stars for me. If you suffer from frizzy, puffy, humidity-prone hair, you fight with texture, try this. I have no incentive whatsoever for telling you to try it. I'm just telling you that I am amazed and that it takes a lot for me to be super wowed by a product. There are so many products that I really love, really enjoy using, will repurchase again and again. But rarely is there one that I am just blown away by. I am blown away by this product. That is my own thoughts. They're not going to send me any money. They're not going to send me another free product for saying this. I will have to purchase them myself, and I will. It will be worth every dime I spend. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that if you have the same hair problems that I am, that you try this product and that you let me know what you think in the comments. I want to know if your opinions are the same as mine. If anybody disagrees, if anybody's tried this and it didn't work for you, bring it. I want to hear about it. I'm going to do another hair favorites, but I'm going to talk about hairspray and the shampoos and the conditioner that I'm using that I found that you might hear about in a fun collab with another channel and lady that I love. But I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait to show you guys this one. So until the next video, bye. Take care.